Welcome to Lesson 6. In this lesson, I'm going to share with you how to add interactive apps to your website. With WebStarts, you can share content with a blog, sell products with a store, book appointments, and more. Follow along by logging into your WebStarts account. Select the website you want to add an app to. Scrolling down the page while in the dashboard, you'll see a variety of app panels. If a panel is blue, it's enabled. If it's gray, it's disabled. Click on a gray panel to enable it. You'll return to these panels to manage the associated apps. I'm going to start by adding a blog. Clicking on the blog app creates the related pages on my site and opens the blog manager where I can make my posts. I'm going to enter a title and a blurb of text and add an image to my post. You can save your blog posts as a draft or publish them. I'm covering the basics here. Be sure to see my video on the blog app to learn all the features of the blog. Going back to the page editor, you can change the appearance of your blog feed and post by selecting the style and settings icons. For example, you can change the layout, whether to display categories as well as the fonts and colors. Returning to the dashboard, I click on the appointment booking app to enable it. A sample service is created by default, but I'm going to add another. I give it a name, location, set the session time and the availability. When someone books an appointment, I can find that under the Appointments tab. I can manually book an appointment there too. Just like with the blog, I can go to the page editor and select my appointments pages to further edit their appearance. Returning to the dashboard, I click the store panel to enable it. I give my product a title, description, and assign tags that describe it. I can then select multiple images and videos. I give it a price, scroll to the bottom, and click Create. Returning to the page editor, I select my store pages where I can customize the appearance and some behaviors. For example, I can select whether to show product categories, how many rows and columns of products to show in a single view, and more. I'm going to head back to the dashboard and click on the chat app. The chat app lets me message back and forth with my site visitors in real time. Be sure chat is turned on, and you'll see a chat bubble in the bottom right of your published pages. When someone types a message, you'll see it in the operator view, where you can respond. Disable chat by toggling the chat switch to the off position. To disable and remove the blog, appointment booking, and store apps, navigate to their pages in the editor and delete them. That's it for this lesson. Stay tuned for Lesson 7, promoting your website. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments and questions below.